When a company owns an asset that is suddenly worth much less than its book value, they must record an impairment. Impairment is a permanent reduction in the value of a company asset on its balance sheet. It starts when the recorded value of an asset exceeds its current fair market value, signaling it is no longer worth as much. Factors like physical damage, changing market conditions, or new technology can make an asset lose significant value suddenly. While depreciation is a planned, gradual process, impairment represents an abrupt, unexpected drop in an asset's worth. The impairment charge effectively writes down the asset, ensuring the balance sheet reflects a more accurate, current valuation. Ultimately, these adjustments ensure that investors are not misled by holding assets on the books at inflated, outdated prices. Understanding accounting adjustments helps you read financial statements with more clarity. Subscribe for more basics, and remember, this is not financial advice.